As Lord Shankara said, I am He, I am He. Blessed Spirit, I am He. He knew what God was like because he had superseded worldly consciousness with spiritual consciousness within, as it says in St. John 8th chapter, 28th verse. Then said Jesus, when ye have lifted up the Son of Man, when ye have lifted up the Son of Man, then ye shall know that I am He. Then ye shall know, he says, that consciousness in me is God, as Christ's consciousness, and that I do nothing of myself. He pointed out clearly what God is like. When you have lifted up this worldly consciousness, broken the attachment of God in you, your soul, to the body, then you will know that your consciousness is God's consciousness. And the power of His presence in you, as you see light, is God's power in you.